IGNOU Regional Center, Madurai. The induction meeting is being conducted as a routine to the fresh learners joining in the programs at every session. Normally, in the face-to-face situation, we conduct this kind of induction meeting at the study centers. Due to this current situation, everything is now going online. Now, I request our esteemed senior regional director, sir, to chair the meeting and address our fresh learners on the special features of IGNOU, sir. Please, sir.
Yeah. So thank you very much. Very good morning to all our colleagues from the regional center, RC Madurai, the learners who have enrolled this session, July 2021, the diploma programs of Indira Gandhi National Open University. The coordinators from study centers, of course, they have also joined, some of the coordinators and other colleagues. It's a great pleasure again to meet you all on this platform, just to have exchange of the support services and provide guidelines to the learners who have newly enrolled with this university. We have been conducting, this is the third meeting of induction meeting for the newly enrolled learners to provide the basic support services, how to approach, where to approach, how to get the complete learning support from the study centers and the regional centers. In the supports in the open distance learning, you all know you are not being called regularly to a particular session or particular place to have face-to-face or direct interaction. And particularly in this COVID-19 situation, it's again very difficult to assemble in a particular place so that you can ask your difficulties, you can get your doubts cleared instantly. But this platform, that is through the digital platform, we all are convenient to get the support or to get the guidelines from the study center and the regional centers. As a learner of this mega university, Indira Gandhi National Open University, you have opted this program, diploma, in various disciplines, respective disciplines of your interest. Maybe your purpose is to get additional certificate or your academic qualification, or for the purpose of job, career advances, etc. Everybody is keen to complete the program in time. That is very much understood. And universities also, we are ready to help the learners wherever you find it difficulty. Actually, the problem comes because of some kind of communication gap. We would like to bridge this gap. What we have been getting the feedback from the learners that so because of some issues, they feel that some kind of interaction is required with the teachers or with the study centers, etc. In this aspect, IGNOU is having a very good student support mechanism to help the learners to continue to complete their program of study. The study centers are the nearest places available to the learners of any program you have opted, and the coordinator, who is the senior academic of the particular college, is there to facilitate the support services to the learners. And your study center has got the academic counselors, that is the teachers, to help you. The other infrastructures, library, or you can say the laboratory facilities, which are available at the study centers. Your academic progress, that is a submission of assignments. In preparing the assignments, some kind of guidance or consultancy may be required from the academic counselors, which will be provided from the study centers. Of course, nowadays the distance education is being more moved on the online kind of education support services. The academic supports, apart from the study material, you can get into the many of the e-resources available. You can go through the contents of e-resources, not only of IGNOU, even from any other sources, whatever is available, based on the curriculum or the syllabus of the IGNOU course provided to you. You can make the preparation, etc. But suppose you feel something is to be discussed directly with academic counselors or the experts available at the study centers, you can always keep in touch with the coordinator. In this aspect, I would like to emphasize some of the important points which may be useful to the learners, which is very much important also. As a distance learner, you have committed to complete the programs in a particular stipulated time. Diploma programs are a minimum 1 year and maximum duration may be 3 to 4 years duration. But everybody would like to complete the program in time, so that that spirit, what you have taken admission, will be materialized. You can with the same spirit, you will be able to complete it. Your enrollment is confirmed now. You have you can check your enrollment from IGNOU website, also admission portal. If there are any kind of discrepancies, if you find that name discrepancy, address discrepancy, etc., you can always report to the regional center, or the link given for rectification, which we will be able to correct it. So you can ensure that what is given in the registration details is correct or not, by getting into the admission portal of IGNOU. Then the second thing is about your program. As it is mentioned, it is a July 2021 session. That means session is already been applicable from July. So if it is of 1 year, you are eligible to give examination for those. That depends upon the program. There is a next June 2022, you will be eligible to give the examination. And before that, there are a number of other assignments, other activities which you have to complete it. One is, of course, what we have committed, IGNOU has committed, is providing you the study material. Those who have opted for printed material, you will be getting the study material from headquarters by post, and the dispatch details, as it was mentioned, the dispatch details will be put on the website of IGNOU. You may be getting the SMS alerts also about the dispatch and the status of delivery of the material also. Accordingly, you will get the study material, printed material from headquarters. It is dispatched from headquarters directly. The students who are in the cities of the regional centers like Madurai, we get the material from Madurai, we get the study material from headquarters, and we will be communicating to you to collect it locally from the regional centers. So this communication, we may be sending it through SMS, or we may be sending it through your email ID, given email IDs, etc. So you please check your email IDs periodically, so that you come to know the status of the study material, etc. There may be possibilities because we have to depend on the postal delivery of the mechanism. There may be a little delay, or there may be some kind of issues if the address is changed or other issues. No problem. If you have given correct information, etc., the material will come to you. But meanwhile, you can start preparing. You can start your studies by downloading the material, because eCangos. If you get into the eCangos mode, all IGNOU's study materials are available. You can download it. You can take the printout, and you can start preparing your program. I'm not saying that you will not get the study material. There may be the possibilities of a little delay. Instead of wasting your time for waiting the printed material, you can always start your preparation, your reading with the help of the soft copies available on the IGNOU's eCangos, and you can start your preparation. Diploma and postgraduate diploma programs mostly will be of, you can see 1 year, it is of 32 credits minimum, because we call the weightage in terms of credit courses, credits will be applicable. So each program will have 32 credits minimum, and maybe it depends upon the nature of the programs. And there will be of 3 to 4 papers, sometimes 4 to 5 papers, and PG diploma. The details you can see what are the number of courses which you have to complete, and what are the different components of the programs, etc., which are available in the booklet form of program guide. So every learner should get access to the program guide of your program and see the details. The program guide is always available on the IGNOU's website. If you get into the particular school of study, and the under that school of studies, for example, School of Humanities, if you see, and there you will see what programs are being offered by the school, and you can see under each program, the program guide details are also available. Or you can straight away download the program guides also. So those program guide, going through that program guide, you will get a complete idea of the proposed activities which are to be completed. Because there are some courses which have got the project, some courses which have got the field work, etc. So these details you can always get it from the program guide of your program. For example, DECE, Diploma in Early Child Care Education, means there will be a program guide is available, which will give you how many papers are there, and what are the contents of those papers, broad contents of those papers, and what are the components, that is whether it is a project based or whether it is the field based activities, etc. So those details you can get it, and the weightage is also been given in that. So that program guide is an important document which is available on the website, soft copy, which will be your guiding principle for completing the program. So you please read your program guide, and you can come to know number of things about your studies. Then study material will come to you by post, as I told you. If there is a delay, you can always download the material and start preparing. So while preparing it, if you see what is the evaluation pattern, because for every paper you need to complete the components like internal assessment or continuous internal assessment and the external evaluation. Internal assessment means in IGNOU system, in our open distance learning system, we call it as assignment. The assignment means there will be set of questions available, and you need to prepare the answers to those questions, and those answer book will have to be submitted to the study center for evaluation. So the assignment component will have weightage of 30%. 30% weightage is given to the assignment evaluation, assignment part, and 70% is been given for the term and examination, which is going to be the final examination which will be conducted. And some of the papers which are having project work or practical based, you have to contact your study center for getting the support. That means whether it is a project or the practicals, etc. So this is the proposed course of study for preparation of assignments. Assignments are just as I told you, the set of questions available, which you can download it. You will not get the printed format of assignments. You will have to download it from IGNOU's website. If you get access to IGNOU's website, you will see there will be of student support model, and there will be of downloading model. There you will see the assignments, and you have to download the right assignments. That is for the session July 2021 sessions. The relevant assignments questions are uploaded on the website. You have to download it for every paper. Suppose if you have a diploma and you have to have 4 to 5 papers, let us say 5 papers are there, then you will be having 5 set of assignments, 5 set of questions, 5 different set of questions. As I told you, it's a question paper available. So you have to prepare the responses to those questions. While preparing these responses, because it is a simple preparation, it should be prepared handwritten assignment, that is a A4 size paper. As usual, when you are appearing in the examination, some kind of paper answer book has been given. The same way, you can prepare the assignment responses in the A4 size papers and get it attaching your complete detail, enrollment number, address, course code, and course name, etc. Because as I told you, every course there will be assignments. You have to submit separate assignments to each course, and accordingly you have to prepare it and submit it to the study center near where you have been attached. Suppose you are far away from the study center, you can send it by post also, by speed post, keeping a copy of the assignments with you, Xerox copy with you. You can send it by speed post, or you can contact the study center, get the email provision for the submission of email provision assignments, because those assignments, handwritten assignments, will have to be scanned, and those scanned copy only you have to submit it to the study center, because you cannot type it and send it online. It is not applicable. So the handwritten copies, scanned copies can be submitted to the study center. So these are the three modes which the assignments can be submitted, and every assignment will have the deadline. If you see, for the particular assignments, you will have sufficient time, enough time. If you are appearing in the December examination, you will have the submission dates somewhere in the month of November. If you are going to appear in the next June 2022, you will have the assignment time somewhere in the month of March 2022, etc. So according to those deadlines, you have to prepare the assignments of your own and submit it to the study center, which will carry 30% of your weightage of your evaluation, and which is compulsory. You cannot avoid submission of the assignments. So for preparing such kind of assignments, you don't worry about how I will prepare without any support, or without anything, without consultation with the other learners, etc. Because you are an independent learner, you can prepare the assignment of your own, referring the online material available or your study material what has been given to you. While preparing the assignments, when you have difficulties or you want to discuss some of the things in detail with the academic counselor, there the requirement of academic counseling, which will be organized by the study center, it comes into picture. Now, nowadays, because the face-to-face counselings are not being organized because of this COVID pandemic scenario, but we are trying to put it through online counseling sessions. That means your study center will specify and send you the communication about the online counseling schedule, and you can maybe mostly in the Google platform, Google link will be given to you. You can log into that through that link, and you can always interact with them. Or sometimes we also send you the counseling schedule, which are being organized by other regional centers, which also will be of helpful to you. Some good faculties are taking some sessions, either maybe in Mumbai or maybe in the study centers of Delhi or Kolkata. You will get access to that. So in that way, you can enrich your learning empowerment, and you can get number of ideas about in depth about the subjects. So which will help you to prepare the assignment effectively of your own. So this assignment process in distance education is very important to the learners, because they get confident about their learning. And also it is some kind of evaluation. 30% of weightage is also been given for this assignment. Assignment is compulsory. Whether you are giving examination now or later stage, the assignment submission is more important. So once you submit the assignments now, there is no need of submitting the assignments suppose you are appearing in the next examination or subsequent examination. And minimum passing of assignment is also very much important. 40%, or the grading is also available. D grade minimum is you have to ensure it. So this is the first step which you have to do it. The second part is about the term and examination. There will be of examination centers. We will inform you about the identified examination centers, which may not be your study center also. Suppose you are in Trichy, if there is no study center available, and you have opted Madurai as the study center for a study purpose, but examination you can give it from Trichy itself. There is a possibility is there. So, but examination, you have to again fill up the examination form and confirm your appearance. Then only you will be given identity card, because there will be a separate examination fee also will be there. Remitting that, you will get the confirmation, and the hall ticket will be available so that you can appear in the term and examination. This is, I am talking about the normal theory course of your component. Suppose there is a practicals, for example, DECE, there is a practical, or the other examination, postgraduate diploma in analytical chemistry, there will be a lab examination, etc. For lab-based courses, you have to contact the coordinator, and in the usual situation, we used to call the learners to the particular place, whether it is of school or work, it may be of like a workshop, or it may be at the practical sessions, etc. If it is a pandemic situation, there will be of some kind of online arrangements are also been made for to make up with the workshop practice. We have the provisions, for example, PGDCA, postgraduate computer applications. These programs which requires the hands-on practice in the usual manner. But if it is of a pandemic situation, there may be some kind of alternative mechanism is been made, and the concerned school will inform the procedure, etc. You have to cope up with that. Then only you will get the completed the particular component of the program. There are some programs where exist the project work, which is again, it is very important. Project is maybe of field work studies, etc., for which project guide is available. What I told you, the program guide, which is about the program. And if the course is a project, there will be a project guide is available in the printed format. You please go through that, where to carry out, who is the guide to help me, and how the preparation, what component, Viva OC is there, or it is of totally of submission of report, etc., which you can see there. So if you have complete idea about all these things, definitely your learning process will be easy, and you will have a complete schedule, and your progress of learning can also be monitored periodically by the study centers and by the regional centers. And wherever you find it difficult, you can always contact the study center and the regional centers. We are planning to have a specific mentoring also, because when the online sessions are there, the counselors also will be invited for the your session. And this time we are planning to have additional support to the learners in the way of organizing some kind of mentoring sessions also. Definitely that also will be useful to the your learning process. And the university conducts examination twice in a year. It is one is in June and another one is in December. Exams are conducted particularly without any break. Of course, because of this COVID situation, there was some change in the scheduling of the examination. Otherwise, exams have already been conducted and the results were declared in time. And there is, as per the university's system, twice in a year the exams are being conducted. Now, the next, of course, the December 2021 examination is also been scheduled a little late. It is going to start from January 20th, and it will go for 28 days from that day. So wherever the papers are been scheduled, you can always give the examinations also. So in our, it is though it is a distance education, since IGNOU follows all the systematic procedure, and your time, your giving time is more important, because we say 1 credit is equal to 30 hours of study. That means if you take a paper of 4 credits, you can say 120 hours of study for per paper is required. That means it may be either you are spending the time for preparing the assignments, or preparing for the examination, or preparing project, etc. So that much quantum of work is very much required. That is the reason that we always claim that IGNOU's courses are at par with the conventional course and the conventional method. Only thing, in the conventional system, the learners are spending their time, the daytime, that is 6 hours per day, etc. Wherever in the distance education, it is left to the learners. You may spend your time after evening time, late in the evening, or more on the holidays. But the hours of study which is required is very important, and you have to spare that much time to complete your program successfully. And you will have all support mechanism from the IGNOU, from the regional center, from the study centers, etc. I think every learner should have a complete idea about the proposed work and proposed activities to be undertaken, and where to get, whom to approach, and what are the deadlines for the assignments or for the submission of examination form, etc. And more of a connection through online. You should have everyday access to your email, because maybe a lot of communication which we are sending it from the regional center or the study center, or from the school also, from Delhi headquarters, you will be getting the communication. So if you are very particular about all these things, definitely it is your systematic learning will give you a good award, and you will get a good grade in your assignment as well as the examination. Otherwise, it is not at all difficult. People say that IGNOU means it is a very tough and etc. Tough. There should be quality. There should be, of course, when we say IGNOU is independent of UGC or ODL regulations, etc., means there is a quality. We cannot downgrade the quality. So that is the reason that IGNOU has been awarded with NAAC, A++ by NAAC. That is the highest in the open distance learning also. So your systematic planning, systematic continuous pursuance, and constant hard work will definitely help you to complete this program. Don't take it as easy that I have registered and I will prepare for the examination only when there is an examination scheduled, and I will simply, we are seeing that people are busy with so many other activities. When they get the schedule, they, without preparation, they simply come for the project viva. And the external expert, naturally they are not from our IGNOU, they are from other institutions. They expect the same kind of quality from the learners. When you are unable to when you are unable to provide the complete the details about the project or something, they are unhappy with that, and you are been asked to redo those things, etc. So quality wise, there is no compromise. You have to work. We have already specified the hours, etc. We are providing you all kind of supports. So because IGNOU's degrees, diplomas are been recognized, recognition is there means because of its quality. So make use of it. Definitely, you will get completed your course and the diploma programs as per the schedule. If there are situations and you have a flexible time also, because the minimum 1 year, maximum maybe 3 years or 4 years, that depends upon the program we are giving you. And your constant touch and hard work will help you to complete, and we are there with you to support you. I think with these few words, now we can go ahead with some of our officials from RC Madurai is also there. They will also give you additional points, so if something is left out. And the coordinators, they are the one who will be constantly keep in touch with you. They are the one, they will extend all support services. They are also there, so they will also help you. So with this, I thank all our coordinators and colleagues and the students also, and for your presence here. So we will be communicating through email more frequently. You please keep in touch with that. Study material, as I told you, it will come to you. Don't worry about it. But meanwhile, because of the technology availability, you can refer the online material also. You can start preparing it. So thank you very much. Hello.
Sridharan. Dear learners, now I show you some of the important activity to be taken by you from the website. There are a lot of web-based resources available in IGNOU. As a student, once you admitted in the IGNOU, you will be given 10-digit enrollment number. With this 10-digit enrollment number, you can simply go to this IGNOU website and check the student zone. The student zone has a lot of information. If you go through the student zone, you can check your registration details here. The registration details, once you enter this student zone, you can see this registration status. Click it and enter your enrollment number and program code. Then you will see this page. Here, your check whether your name is correct, the spellings are correct. Then your program code, medium, then admission session, the admission validity. Many these diploma and PG diploma are valid only for 3 years. Within that 3 years, you have the flexibility to complete at any point of time, because IGNOU conducts examination twice in a year. You can check other remaining details. Your study center code. This is the study center code. This is the regional center code. Then these are all most important course registration details, because now you have entered into the July 21 session. You have been registered for these particular courses. These are all the course codes allotted to you. If it is green color, it is elective. It is blue color, it is compulsory. So you check this and take a printout of this page always with you. You can avail a lot of information from here. You can read the norms, rules of university. Then you can check a grade card here, a result, study material status. You can even download all ticket, assignment submission status, exam form submission status, student grievances reporting, then mobile application, then various format, ID card downloading link, previous year question papers, term and assignment papers, common procedure, everything you can avail through this registration portal. If you click this term and assignment paper, the link will go here. Here you can just click Control F. Then if it is your program code is DDT, just type it. You will find here DDT. You can select July 2021 session. If you are English medium, you can select, or Hindi medium, you can select and download your question papers. Like that, every one of you can download your assignment question papers. But keep in mind that most of the diploma and PG diploma programs are yearly mode programs. Only few programs I read out that PGDAST, then applied statistics, this is semester mode. PGDCA new, this is semester. Then all the management PG diploma programs, these are all the semester based programs. They have to apply for the term and examination in December. The form, online exam form, will be opened likely in the next month. The remaining students, those enrolled in all the diploma and PG diploma programs, may apply for examination in the month of April. The assignment submission also in the month of March or April at your study center. The examination for you will be held in the month of June 2022. Here under student zone, you can see lot of information, mobile application, then for the miscellaneous activities with the university, you can pay the fees. For example, if you want to get migration certificate, you can pay the fee here. Like that, there are frequently asked questions are there. Then the broadcast, IGNOU has the facility to broadcast the educational programs through its television channel Gyan Darshan, 24/7 basis, Gyan Vani FM radio, Gyan Dara web radio. Then there are the announcements can be had here, e-resources, forms, downloads, then result you can check here, assignments, library you can avail here, past question papers, register for SMS, then web-enabled support for selective programs, National Digital Library, Swayam Prabha channel. You can register in the alumni portal also once you complete the program. We provide campus placement for many programs through the headquarter. Here you can, if you click this link, it will go to grievances page. Then you can, if you have any grievances, according to the grievances, you can file IGRAM also. Lot of facilities. If you want to apply for the examination, you can go here and click this term and exam form. You can, with that link, you can read the instruction and fill the exam form once it is announced at the website. Re-evaluation also through the website. These are all the facilities. In the open and distance learning mode, everything is the self-learning material. The self-learning material alone acts as a teacher, inbuilt teacher. Here we have a web repository, egyancourse.ac.in. This link also you can just click here, then it will go to here. Here you can see the study material prepared by the IGNOU for all the programs. Just if you want to type DDT, you can search it. The specific link will come here. You can simply download that material, or you can download IGNOU e-content application. With that also you can download the material. Here in the left side you can see Facebook recorded video, self-learning materials, then Swayam course content, YouTube videos. Lot of informations are available to learners. Always you need to keep visiting the website, both this IGNOU main website as well as regional center Madurai website. Here also you can see lot of information. We have a learner's guide here. You click it and find learner's guide here. Then study center contact details. You can click this link. You will get the contact mobile number, email IDs of your allotted study center. Every study center has a code: 2502 GRD College, 2503 Tyagarajar 04 Bishop Fever. Like that, every study center has the code. You need to contact that particular study center coordinator for the counseling, practical, project related activities. Student corner has lot of information. You can see here also the counseling schedules. Once finalized, it will be uploaded under this link. Like that, there are a lot of web-based support services are provided. Teleconferencing is being organized through this Gyan Darshan television channel. With this, you can avail so many services from our IGNOU. So, as a diploma and PG diploma learners, we advise you always go through the program guide given to you, which has all the relevant information. The program guide, if you do not get also, simply search in the Google DDT program guide IGNOU or DECE program guide IGNOU from the Google. Then you will find the link from the Gyan course website. So accordingly, you can first read the program guide, which has complete information. Then after, consult with your study center. Counselors are there. They will help you in all forms of your study. With this, I conclude here. I request our coordinator to address our students, please, one by one. Then after, we can have a discussion with every student.
Hello?
1 minute, madam. Dr. Suresh Frederick, sir.
Hi, sir. Good morning. Shall I, sir?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, everyone. I'm really delighted to be part of the induction program. As rightly pointed out by the director, you need to understand that IGNOU is one of the best universities of India, and also it has got A++. So usually it's very difficult to get A, and it has got A++. So I cordially and wholeheartedly congratulate all the people who joined courses in Indira Gandhi Open University. And we have two stalwarts, our director and associate directors, who are here to help us. And I am from Bishop Iba College. Our college is one of the premier institutions which is part of conducting Indira Gandhi Open University courses. So I appreciate all of you for joining courses in Indira Gandhi Open University, and it is world over appreciated as well as acknowledged. So you have chosen the right university, and we are here to help you. So I thank the director, sir, as well as Dr. Anbalagan, sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak to these students. I request all the students to make use of the opportunities. If you come to Bishop Iba College, we have an office, and also you can make use of all the facilities of the college. So if you're making use of the library, if you're making use of the lab, everything is for you. So we have the senior most professors, all qualified professors teaching for you. So I welcome all of you, and also thank the director, sir, and as well as the assistant director, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. All the best to all the learners. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite the coordinator from Tyagarajar College, LSC 2503. Hello, sir. Are you there? Mr. Judo Cristo from LSC 25.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. You continue.
Okay, sir. Good morning, everyone. Respected Senior Regional Director Shanmugam, sir, Assistant Regional Director Anbalagan, sir, coordinators and assistant coordinators, and staff members of RC and other students who have joined the IGNOU. Very good morning to everyone. So myself, Judo Cristo Cedric from Study Center 2507, Vivo Sudamram College, Tuticorin. As our previous coordinator said, you have chosen the best university. Indira Gandhi National Open University is the best university in the world, and the course materials are well designed and of a high quality. Okay, So as Shanmugan sir explained everything, what are the things you have to done, how to pursue your course, how to submit your assignments, and how to choose your exam centers. All the things has been explained clearly by our senior regional director sir Shanmugan sir, and the facilities available online, facilities available, and recording your materials. All those things are Anbalan sir cleanly explained to you. So your students, you have no doubt about it, what to do. Everything has been explained clearly. If you have any doubt, can freely contact your LSCs where you have chosen a LSC, and you can contact your regional center for clearing your doubts. We, the VO Sidambaram College, is a part of IGNO since 1998. We are the colleges of more than, we are in the field of education of more than 6 decades. We are having the courses from UGT and PhD courses in various disciplines. And with the Indira Gandhi Open University, we are having the certificate courses, PG certificate courses, and then your UG and PG degree courses we are having. So students, you can make, as our previous coordinator said, you can make use of as our lab, library, and the facilities available in our colleges. So students of IGNO can also utilize that one. So your students make our coordinator and our academic counselors are very much helpful to you, and we are in the mode of helping you in any situation. So make use of these facilities available, and you finish your course in time. That is more valuable. And the courses you have chosen is IGNO is more valuable in the sense I am saying that many students who have completed their courses in IGNO are in various positions in India and as well as abroad also. We can say it in an example. As an example, we can say one of our attender who finished our course now is working in France. So you have chosen the right thing. So make use of it, and you complete your course in time. Whatever doubts you arises, you can contact the LSC at any time. We are ready to help you. Thank you.
Any other coordinator or assistant coordinator? Please come online. Tyagarajar College. Mr. John Regan. Now the time is open for discussion also. The students can raise their questions. We are ready here from RC Madurai. Our staff members are here. We always are ready to you to give all kinds of support. If you have any questions with us, you can ask your question by unmuting your mic. Students.
ஹலோ.
Yes.
இது அசைன்மெண்ட் சப்மிட் பண்றது எப்போ சார்?
என்ன கோர்ஸ்?
டிஇசி டிப்ளமோ இயர்லி சைல்ட்ஹுட் சார்.
அசைன்மெண்ட் சப்மிட் பண்றது வந்து மார்ச் ஆர் ஏப்ரல். எந்த ஸ்டடி சென்டர் நீங்க?
இது மதுரை தியாகராஜ காலேஜ் சார்.
அது தமிழ் மீடியம் क्वेश्चन பேப்பர் கேட்டு அங்க வாங்கிக்கோங்க.
புக்குமே தமிழ்லயே கொடுத்துருவாங்களா சார்? தமிழ்
நீங்க செலக்ட் பண்ணிருந்தா தமிழ் கொடுப்பாங்க. இங்கிலீஷ் செலக்ட் பண்ணிருந்தீங்கன்னா இங்கிலீஷ் தான் கொடுப்பாங்க.
அப்படியாங்க சார்?
ஆமா. நீங்க அதை ஆன்லைன்ல போய் செக் பண்ணுங்க.
சரிங்க சார்.
கோஆர்டினேட்டர் கூட பேசுங்க, அவங்க ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவாங்க. உங்களுக்கு தமிழ் மீடியம்ல क्वेश्चन பேப்பர் தமிழ் மீடியம் ஆப்ட் பண்ணிருந்தா கொடுப்பாங்க.
சரிங்க சார், சரிங்க சார். எக்ஸாம் எப்பங்க சார் வைக்கிறாங்க?
ஜூன் 2022.
ஜூனா சார்? ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார். நான் டிசேபிள்டு பையன் வச்சிருக்கனால அவனுக்காக இந்த கோர்ஸ் படிக்க சொல்லிருக்காங்க ஸ்கூல்ல.
ஓகே. இதுல ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஒன்னு நீங்க பண்ணணும்.
ஓகே சார்.
ப்ராஜெக்ட் எப்படி பண்றது என்னங்கிறது வந்து அவர் கோஆர்டினேட்டர் சொன்னீங்கன்னா அவங்க கவுன்சிலர் மூலமா கைட் பண்றதுக்கு ஏற்பாடு பண்ணுவாங்க.
ஓகேங்க.
நீங்க அந்த ஆல்டர்னேட்டிவ் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அதுபடி வந்து நீங்க வந்து இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணணும். அந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் வந்து நீங்க ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணணும், வீடியோவாக ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி அப்லோட் பண்ண வேண்டியிருக்கும். புரியுதுங்களா?
Project
அதெல்லாம் ஒரு தடவை கம்ப்ளீட்டாக படிச்சீங்கன்னா தான் உங்களால் வந்து அது செய்ய முடியும்.
ஓகே சார். ஓகே
ஓகே.
சார். தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Mr. Manimaran, coordinator, please come online. Mike.
Sir?
Yes, sir. Continue.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Dr. R. Manimaran, coordinator, LSC 43076, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pukotai. I am very happy to tell about something from in front of the students and the coordinators and the senior regional director, sir, and the assistant regional director, sir. In our college, we have offered certificates and degree program courses and also diploma, PG diploma courses. Students, we, in our study center, our IGNO's functioning office from morning 8 a.m. to evening 5 p.m. If you have any queries, please come and ask me. And also, I type my mobile number through chat box. Any queries, you please ask to free to ask anytime. We give all the details for your benefits of the learners, etc. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. So,
Any other students?
In near Pudukkottai, in and around Pudukkottai,
Tanjavur also.
The students can contact JJ College of Arts and Science. Even your program may be there, or suppose the examination center you can opt. The other requirement, because each study center is the nodal point of IGNO. That means whether they have got the course or not, that is a different thing, because based on the demand, the programs can be activated. But the information center, information can be obtained if you want to get it face-to-face discussion. You want to know something about the course, etc. One can always contact the study center. They will be able to help you. And as it was pointed out by Dr. Manimaran, that their study center timing is in the daytime. You can get in contact with them. So every study center will notify their functioning timing for IGNO. So if that specific time is being followed by our learner, you will get prompt response. Because in Bishop Keeper College, they have an exclusive room for IGNO and staff. We have given exclusive staff, and the staff they may be from the regular college. If when they are with the regular college time, if you approach them, they may not be available. So, but they might have given you the working time of IGNO office. You can during that time you can contact through phone, mobile, etc. So that you will get prompt response. So complaint what we receive from the learners is that, sir, I called this center, அங்க யாருமே phone எடுக்க மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க, அங்க யாருமே ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னு. அவங்க டைமிங் என்னன்னு பார்த்துட்டு பண்ணினீங்கன்னா கரெக்டா உங்களுக்கு வந்து ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க, எல்லாமே கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, ரைட்.
Subhasri, or any other? If you have any questions, you can come online. Subhasri, what is your question?
I applied PGDUH, sir.
Hmm.
When will I submit my assignment, sir?
Assignment in the month of March or April. Examination in June. You have to do a project.
Okay, sir.
For project related query, you can consult with the coordinator also. There are academic counselors available in Bishop Keeper College.
Okay, sir.
You accordingly prepare for your study.
Exams, sir?
June 2022.
June 22. Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
சார் வணக்கம் சார்.
Any other? Yes, sir.
சார் வணக்கம் சார்.
சொல்லுங்க.
டிடிஎஸ் ப்ரோக்ராம் டிப்ளமோ இன் டூரிசம் ஸ்டடீஸ் அப்ளை பண்ணியிருக்கிறேன்.
ம்
டிப்ளமோ இன் டூரிசம் அண்ட் ஸ்டடீஸ் அப்ளை பண்ணியிருக்கிறேன். நீங்கள் சொன்னீங்க என்ரோல்மெண்ட்டை வந்து இக்னோ வெப்சைட்டில் போய் டைப் பண்ணி பாருங்கன்னு சொன்னீங்க. பண்ணி பார்த்தா வந்து என்ரோல்மெண்ட் அண்ட் ப்ரோக்ராம் நாட் ஃபவுண்ட்னு வருது.
நீங்கள் டிடிஎஸ் ப்ரோக்ராம் செலக்ட் பண்ணீங்களா?
செலக்ட் பண்ணேன், டேட் ஆஃப் பர்த் கொடுத்தேன், என்ரோல்மெண்ட் நம்பர் கொடுத்தேன்.
டேட் ஆஃப் பர்த்லாம் இல்லையா? ஒன்லி என்ரோல்மெண்ட் நம்பர், ப்ரோக்ராம் கோட் கொடுத்து அதில் ஒரு நம்பர் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, டிஸ்பிளே நம்பர் மாதிரி. அந்த நம்பரை கரெக்டாக போட்டிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஓப்பன் ஆகும். இதுலேயும் ப்ராஜெக்ட் இருக்கு. நீங்கள் ப்ராஜெக்ட் அவுட் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களா பாருங்க. நீங்கள் வந்து ப்ராஜெக்ட் இன் டைம்ல சப்மிட் பண்ணணும். இதுவும் வந்து ஜூன் 2022 தான் எக்ஸாமினேஷன். அசைன்மெண்ட் சப்மிஷன் இன் தி மந்த் ஆஃப் மார்ச் ஆர் ஏப்ரல்.
ஓகே சார், தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ.
ஓகே.
எக்ஸ்கியூஸ் மீ சார்.
நிவேதன்.
எஸ் சார். இப்போ நான் வந்து சென்னையிலேருந்து பேசுகிறேன். இது டிப்ளமோ இன் அக்வாகல்ச்சர் அப்ளை பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஸோ இதுக்கு ப்ராக்டிக்கல் கிளாஸஸ்லாம் எப்படி சார் வருது?
இதில் ப்ராக்டிக்கலும் இருக்குது, ப்ராஜெக்டும் இருக்குது. நீங்கள் வந்து விஓசி காலேஜ் அந்த சென்டர் அவுட் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க.
ஆமாம் சார்.
அதில் மிஸ்டர் ஜூடோ கிறிஸ்டோ இருக்காரு. உங்களுக்கு வந்து இப்போ ப்ராக்டிக்கல் நடக்காது, இப்போ ஜாயின் பண்ணவங்களுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் செமஸ்டரில் தான் நடக்கும். ஓகேங்களா?
ஓகே. ஸோ இப்போ நேரில் போய் இதை அட்டன் பண்ணணும் இல்லைங்களா?
ப்ராக்டிக்கல் அவங்க சொல்லுவாங்க, மொடாலிட்டிஸ் என்னன்றது உங்களுக்கு சொல்லுவாங்க.
ஓகே.
ஃபார் ஓல்டு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ வி டூ எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பை டுடே ஆர் டுமாரோ தி மொடாலிட்டிஸ், வெதர் இட் இஸ் கோயிங் ஆன்லைன் ஆர் ஆஃப்லைன். Likely the same may continue for you also. But you have to wait, but you prepare for the remaining portion of your study. The
All right.
sessions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Next.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I've given my enrollment number and program code for checking my admission details for PGD IBO, sir.
Okay.
But it's showing that the user not found, something like that, sir. Like I've been facing this problem for the past 1 week or so, sir. I'm not able to get into my status of my application, sir. So
You send an email to RC Madurai.
Yes, sir.
Do you have the email ID rcmadurai@igno.ac.in?
Okay, sir.
Your application number and all the details, so that our people will check and return, inform you back, and also will tell you the solution.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, when will the books will be given, sir? Books for the PGD IBO, sir.
Whether you opted digital material or hard copy.
No, sir. Hard copy, sir. Hard copy.
Hard copy may come by post, because for a diploma is a 1-year program. So since you are taking examination in June 2022, the material may be under dispatch. The status also you can check at the website, dispatch status also. Time being, you utilize the digital material by downloading the IGNOU e-content application in the mobile.
Yes, sir. Sir, even for checking the status of dispatch and all, once we get into the students' registration details, only then we are not able to go on, sir.
Yeah, first resolve this issue with about your registration problem. Then after you can check everything in the website.
Okay,
the study
sir.
material
Sure,
status
sure.
and other things. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next question. Students, if you have any question, you can come online. Unmute your mic and ask your question. I think no more questions, sir. Yes.
Sir, I'm
Rehina.
Yes, sir. நான் வந்து PGDAST எடுத்திருக்கேன் சார், அப்ளைட் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ். இப்போ 31st அக்டோபர் வந்து லாஸ்ட் டேட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க சார் அசைன்மெண்ட் சப்மிட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. ஷார்ட் பீரியடாக இருக்குது, பட் போர்ஷன்ஸ் நிறைய இருக்குது சார். இப்போ நம்ம அசைன்மெண்ட்டுக்கு வந்து ஹோல் சிலபஸ் படிக்கிற மாதிரி தானே சார் இருக்கும்?
ஆமாம், நீங்கள் எக்ஸாமுக்கு எப்படி ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறீங்களோ அதுதான் வரும் அசைன்மெண்ட்டில். ஓகேங்களா? அசைன்மெண்ட்டுன்றது வந்து எக்ஸாமுக்கு நம்ம ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிக்கிறது தான். இது 30%, 25 to 30% weightage in the final result. The remaining 70 to 75% weightage is given in the examination.
ஓகே சார். இப்போ
Okay,
35
நீங்க
பேப்பர்
வந்து இப்போ உங்களுக்கு 4 பேப்பர் அலாட் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க.
ஆமா
For the
சார்.
first semester, if it is possible, you can submit, or otherwise you can submit all the assignments also for the next semester.
ஓகே.
அதனால ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் கிடையாது. பட் வந்து அது நீங்க தான் கன்வீனியன்ஸ் பார்த்துக்கணும். ஓகேங்களா? பிராக்டிகல் வந்து உங்களுக்கு 2 பேப்பர் இருக்கு, MSTL 1 and 2. That will be held in the next semester.
ஓகே சார். இப்போ வந்து இந்த செமஸ்டருக்குரிய பேப்பர்ஸை நம்ம செகண்ட்லயும் எழுதலாமா இல்லைன்னா
எழுதலாம்,
நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர்
எழுதலாம்.
தான் எழுத முடியுமா?
அதாவது
ஓகே
நீங்க
சார்.
எழுதலாம். உங்களுக்கு வரக்கூடிய கிரேட் கார்டு வந்து ஒன்று தான் வரும். அதுல எப்போ நீங்க அட்டென்ட் பண்ணீங்க, என்ன ஃபைனலா எப்போ பாஸ் பண்ணீங்க, அது மட்டும் தான் வரும்.
ஓகே சார்.
அதனால ஒரு இஷ்யூ கிடையாது. நீங்க
ஓகே
இப்போ
சார்.
2 பேப்பர் எழுதிட்டு கூட பேலன்ஸ் 2 பேப்பரை நெக்ஸ்ட் செமஸ்டர்ல சேர்த்து எழுதிக்கலாம்.
ஸோ நான் இதே வந்து ஈவென்ட் செமஸ்டருக்குரியதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எழுதலாமா சார்?
நோ நோ நோ, அப்படி ஸ்கிப் பண்ண முடியாது. உங்களுக்கு எந்த பேப்பர்ஸ் அங்க உங்க ப்ரோக்ராம் கைட்ல கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க,
ம்.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 1 to 4 தான் நீங்க வந்து இப்போ எழுத முடியும். பேலன்ஸ் வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் செமஸ்டர் தான், அது ஃபிக்ஸ்டு.
ஓகே ஓகே சார்.
எஸ் சார். Any other question?
எல்லாரும் क्वेश्चन கேட்டாங்களா?
எஸ் சார்.
கவினா மணிகண்டன். Hello, sir.
Student, if you have any question, the session is still open. Agilesh, Merlin, Anita, Saravanan. நிவேதன், சரவணன், மைக் ஆன் பண்ணுங்க. சரவணன் மைக் ஆன் பண்ணுங்க.
சார் வணக்கம் சார்.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
சார் இப்போ இந்த ஜூலைக்கு வந்து இந்த வருஷத்துக்கான அசைன்மெண்ட் எழுதணும் சார். சப்போஸ் நான் அடுத்த அட்டெம்ப்ட்டுக்கு எழுதும்போது
என்ன ப்ரோக்ராம்
அசைன்மெண்ட் எழுதுதுங்களா?
இல்ல என்ன கோர்ஸ் சேர்ந்திருக்கீங்க
சார்? பிஜிடிஏஎஸ்டி.
பிஜிடிஏஎஸ்டி வந்து 21க்குரிய அசைன்மெண்ட் தான் இருக்கும். 21, 22 ஜூலை 21 போட்டிருந்தா அதை நீங்க ஓபன் பண்ண வேண்டியதான்
சார். சப்போஸ் நான் வந்துட்டு ஜூன்ல அப்பியர் ஆகும்போது 22nd அந்த இயருக்கான அசைன்மெண்ட் எழுதுறதுன்னு கேக்குறேங்க சார்.
அதாவது இப்போ நீங்க அந்த அசைன்மெண்ட் இப்போ 21 போட்டிருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அதை டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேஜ் ரீட் பண்ணுங்க. அது எதுல இருந்து எந்த எக்ஸாமுக்கு வேல்யூ அப்படின்றத சொல்லிடும். அதுலயே இருக்கு, இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் இருக்கு. இப்போ வந்து நீங்க ஜூலைல சேர்ந்தவர் இதை பண்ணலாமா இல்ல ஜனவரியில சேர்ந்தவர் பண்ணலாமான்றது டீட்டெயில்லாம் அதுலயே இருக்கு.
சரி சரிங்க சார்.
ஸோ அந்த நீங்க எப்ப எக்ஸாம் எடுக்கிறீங்களோ அதுதான் கணக்கு. நீங்க இப்ப டிசம்பர்லயே சில எக்ஸாம் எடுக்க வேண்டியிருக்கும். அதுக்கு அந்த 4 பேப்பரை வந்து இப்போ சப்மிட் பண்றதுன்னா நீங்க 31 வரைக்கும் டைம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அது எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் ஆகும்.
இல்ல சார், என்னோட டவுட் வந்துட்டு
இல்ல அது புரியுது நீங்க சொல்றது. பட் அசைன்மெண்ட்லயே கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க அது வேலிட் ஃபார் எந்த எக்ஸாமுக்கு அப்படிங்கறத அதுலயே சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க.
சரி சரிங்க சார்.
அந்த மாதிரி நீங்க சூஸ் பண்ணிக்க வேண்டியதுதான், அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ.
Next question. Nivedan, if you have any question?
No, sir. Actually, it was by mistake. Actually, sorry, sir. Thank you.
Sir, almost all queries are over, sir.
Okay, then you can wind up. No problem.
Okay. Thank you. Dear learners, today we have successfully completed this online induction meeting for the diploma and PG diploma program students of July 2021 session. We have sent the email to more than 200 learners. Almost many could not able to participate, but this recording of the meeting will be uploaded in the YouTube channel of RC Madurai. You can share this information with your friends and the persons those joined along with you, so that they can view the recording of this program, also take the benefit. We wish you all a great success, because in IGNOU system, entry is very, very easy, but exit is quite difficult unless you put all the efforts and give concentration and devote time for this study. You are not a regular college student or regular university student. You are the student of open and distance learning system, one of the greatest system practiced in all parts of the world. Here, IGNOU has very familiarity in the nation for developing always innovations in distance education. Now, this is the technological age. The information reach is very quick. You can share with a click any information with anyone, any group, like that. Lot of learning resources are available. Even the study centers having the WhatsApp groups also to the learners, you can make use of it. We have a Google Classroom also. That email, you check it every once in a week, you check your email. This should be the routine part of your activity till you complete the program, because many learners are missing the information without viewing their emails. That is more and more important. Anything can be possible. ஒன்லி அதாவது விடாமுயற்சி, தன்னம்பிக்கை இருந்தால் மட்டும் எந்த இலக்குகளையும் அடைய முடியும். நமக்கு உதாரணம் அப்துல் கலாம் ஐயா அவர்கள். அவங்க வந்து சாதாரண ஒரு ஏழை குடும்பத்தில், மீனவ குடும்பத்தில் பிறந்து இந்தியாவில் வந்து ஒரு பெரிய சயின்டிஸ்ட் ஆகி, அதற்கப்புறம் வந்து அதாவது உலகத்திற்கே எடுத்துக்காட்டான பல விஷயங்களை வந்து நிகழ்த்தி காட்டிருக்கிறார். அதாவது சொல்ல வேண்டுமென்றால் ஏவுகணை மற்றும் வந்து இந்த இராணுவ தளவாடத்துறையில் மிகப்பெரிய சாதனை, இந்தியாவுக்கே ஜனாதிபதியும் ஆகி காட்டிருக்கிறார். அதாவது எளிமை, தன்னம்பிக்கை மற்றும் விடாமுயற்சி, இந்த விஷயங்களுக்கெல்லாம் அவர் முன்னுதாரணமாக சொல்லலாம். ஸோ நீங்களும் வந்து ஒன்ஸ் ஏதோ சேர்ந்துட்டோம், நம்ம படிக்கிறோம் அப்படிங்கிறது இல்லாமல் நீங்கள் வந்து ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணுங்கள். உங்களுடைய துறையில் என்னென்ன வேலை வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கிறது, என்னென்ன துறைகளில் நீங்கள் வந்து என்டர்பிரினர்ஷிப் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி டெவலப் பண்ணலாம் போன்ற விஷயங்களை வந்து நீங்கள் படிக்கும்போதே ஒவ்வொன்றா வந்து விஷயங்களை தேடுங்க. அதை பற்றிய முழுமையான புரிதலை ஏற்படுத்தி கொண்டு உங்களை எல்லா வகையிலும் நீங்கள் வெற்றி பெற வேண்டும், சிறந்த எதிர்காலம் உங்களுக்கு அமைய வேண்டும் என்று சொல்லி, இந்த நேரத்தில் இந்த ஆன்லைன் வாயிலாக பங்கேற்பு செய்த நமது மண்டல இயக்குனர், நமது படிப்பு மைய ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர்கள், துணை ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர்கள் மற்றும் நமது ஆர்சி மதுரை மண்டல மைய நமது அலுவலர்கள் மற்றும் நமது மாணவ மாணவியர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் நெஞ்சார்ந்த நன்றிகளை கூறி விடைபெறுகிறோம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.